You can say like there the hole is there. So he said partially penetrates. A bullet of mass 1 kg and velocity v2 partially penetrate the left side of the sphere. So there's, you can put like some sort of hole. Through that hole it will pass, it will collide bullet. Is asking now what the velocity of sphere just after collision with the bullet. Read the question. In the question he has made some dot, you can see for order what he wanted to. There's a ground. Can you hear me? I think any problem is there?
No,
Voice?
sir.
So now there's a string. So maybe some language. So here I'll put a hole, that one. And the sphere is having a mass. This is sphere. Okay, I'll do one thing. So what all he mean to say, no? The question is of should be of like this. Huh? There's a small gap. Through that it will go and collide with this. So he's asking what is the velocity of sphere just after collision with the bullet. Oh, sorry. Not this one. Yeah, it will partially penetrates. Huh? No, there's another problem. Huh? I think so. Let me keep it for discussion afterwards. Partially penetrates. What do you mean by that? It will emerge out or it will stay inside the sphere. How to interpret this? I'll change problem later on. Once we'll finish off this, I'll come to this one. I'll make a hole, let that through hole, let it go and collide. Then we'll see what happened to velocity of sphere. String of radius r. Partially penetrates means will it emerge out through the sphere? No, it will get stuck into the sphere. So this is the thing. So the bullet m. So the mass of this, the bullet, what happening will get stuck here only. Mass of this sphere is m. Is asking what is the velocity of the sphere just after impact. How I should do this problem? So partially penetrates. How I should interpret this one? It inside. bullet gets embedded in sphere. This is the meaning of that one. If it emerges out, it will not get embedded. So this is the thing. Now, what will happen? Overall system is asking what is the velocity of sphere. Shall we apply convention of Newton? What I should do with the bob? Bob, what is the state of bob just after impact? Only the bullet and spear will have velocity. What is the state of bob? Bob will be at, it will be at inertia of rest. At that moment, it will be at rest. After the spear starts moving, then the string will get deflected, then the bob gets deflected, then it will acquire velocity. So if I apply conservation of momentum, mv should be equal to v dash. This should be equal to 2m plus m v dash. What is this m? Mass of bob. This is also mass of bob, and this is mass of spear. Why there's a mass of bullet? Mass of spear. Why bob mass is not into the picture? Is asking just after, no? Just after collision with the bullet. So what is the state of the bob? Bob will be at instantaneous rest here. After this event occurred, then the bullet and spear starts moving, the string gets deflected, then the bob starts moving. So what is v dash equal to? V dash should be equal to v by 2. The mass of the bob should not come into picture. No, now same problem, I'll change it. Let's see how you make out this. This is the bob. It go and collide inelastically with the bob. Bullet collides inelastically with bob. E equal to 0, let me put it. What happened? Velocity of sphere in this case should be 0, no? So then here you are going to write mv plus m into velocity of the bob, say v1. So what is m? Mass of the bullet. And this is mass of bob. Why mass of spear not came into picture? The spear will be at rest position. See, both the things I'm just wanted to give the information either way. So I think the words just after are very important. It's having a lot of weightage here, so that has to be duly considered. Okay, that's I'll give a diagram. Together the mass will be how much? 2m. This will be v1. And still you write it, this is at rest. Now I am bringing either of cases. In the first case, the collision occurs between the spear and the bullet. Second case, the collision occurs between the bullet and the bob. That's clarity is what we needed. And sometimes the technical words, no, partially penetrates. Intentionally, I brought this. Partially penetrates means gets embedded. Emerges out. That's another thing. So here open, bullet collides inertically with the bob and gets stuck to it.